So ever since I took down the phone farm at my previous house, the phones have been sitting idle for some time now. But now that I have things temporarily set up at my grandparents' house, well, the phones are finally back up and running. However, there have been some changes to the farm, which we'll go over in today's video. But before we do that, a quick word from our sponsor. Are you looking for a way to send bulk SMS for your marketing campaigns, while also being able to do so efficiently and cost effectively? Well, let me introduce you to Text Magic. Text Magic enables you to use custom lists, including many contacts, that you can select to send a generic message to everyone included on that list. You can easily create these lists by importing contacts using their plug-and-play style features, which allows you to import mass amount of phone numbers collected on a spreadsheet. So for all you business owners that want to find out how to actually use this service, make sure you click the link above or in the description, and you guys will find a step-by-step tutorial where I take you guys through Text Magic and all of its awesome features. Now with that being said, let's get back to today's video. First off, we did order a bunch of phones, but this happened. And then I got scammed on the other order. Not to worry though, eBay has me covered on that one. Now onto the existing phones, which also has bad news. Essentially, we had both S'mores and My Robinhood ban all the phones. If I had to guess why, it would probably be due to my location being in Canada and those apps being exclusive to US residents only. On the plus side though, we have a plan for how we will proceed with the phone farm. Alright guys, so here we are at the phone farm in the basement. Now the first thing that we changed is actually this right here. If you guys don't already know, there's a brand new app called 101 Suites, and essentially it's just the same as My Robinhood and S'mores. So basically we're still earning 10 cents a day for using this app. Link will be in the description for you guys. All you guys have to do is turn off your phone really quick, turn it back on, and give it a second. And once you do so, an ad will actually pop up. Just swipe up like so, and there you guys go. We have more points pending, just like that. Also guys, on all the phones that you can see on the floor and on the board right here, we have Reclaim still installed and still running just fine. Obviously, link will be in the description for all these apps that I mentioned today. Now, if you don't already know, Reclaim is basically an app that collects data in the background and pays you passively, which comes out to be around 6 cents every single day. Basically, you don't even need to do anything, just keep it installed. It really is passive, guys. All you have to do is keep it installed, and that is it. One other thing guys is we're still running feature points on most of the phones, at least all the Samsung ones at the top right here. We're going to add it on all the other phones down here as well, at least to the phones that get good offers, and we're going to run that for about 2 months or so. Basically, we're going to juice out all the offers and get as many points as physically possible. Also guys, once I finish filming this video, I'm actually going to go ahead and update Cash Magnet because I know there's a new version of it out, and I'm going to take the opportunity to actually place it on 4 brand new phones so that we can actually go over the brand new Cash Magnet app. Now the last thing we're going to do in the immediate short term is that we're actually going to add current music and possibly crypto tab on all the phones. Not too sure how we're going to go about that, but I'm going to try to implement it into our phone farm. Now getting back into the S'mores and My Robinhood situation, essentially guys, what we're going to do is we're going to juice all the feature points offers for about 2 months, have everything just running like so with 101 Suites, and then I'm going to actually factory reset all the phones, which is going to take a long while because we're going to have to create a brand new account for each phone as well, and hopefully that will be enough to actually unban My Robinhood and S'mores on all the phones. Now like I said guys, I'm not too sure if that's going to work or not, so I'm going to try that out off camera and I will give you guys an update video if that actually works. So currently the farm might bring in around $1,000 per month for the time being, running feature points and some of the other apps. And yes, this number is slightly inflated due to feature points, but should be relatively reasonable once we actually add all the other apps in, simply because feature points is such a great earner. Sadly though, it isn't very consistent and eventually it will run out of offers. So that is why we're just going to juice it as much as possible, which means probably 2, maybe 3 months. And then hypothetically, after we are done with feature points and have reset all the phones, we would be able to make around $900 per month consistently with around 75 devices. Of which, once they are all paid off, I am looking to expand to give you guys more content and produce more income from phone farming. If you're excited about that and want more content on phone farming in the near future, make sure you guys subscribe and check out this phone farming video right here. See you guys over there.